Welcome to Henderson Farms and Homestead.
Hold on, guys, I'm coming.
My hand's heavy.
Sorry.
It's okay. Whoop. Whoop.
I'm dropping them. Daddy, I'm coming.
What is it? Oh.
I'm coming, Daddy. Where do we go? Dad, there's some for me.
Hey, there's plenty to go around.
Oh, that's the one right there.
Here, take these. Grab and growl.
Grab and growl.
Around the house to the front.
Lord, when I die.
That's what Kenneth said too.
Or you can go like.
Come, guys.
Want to pull this too?
Please don't.
What do you think about it? Man, I've been a few. I've been really,
We got beans, tomatoes.
I've already picked those once, but
I was to say, there ain't much on
no, I've already picked them once. But if you see something that's hanging on them, just grab them.
Grab this and take it with Mama. Bear hug. There you go. Grab all that and take it down to Mama.
And unfortunately, there is a row right there running along all those stickers, but
Wherever it was.
get it, buddy.
I'm taking away from you, and I'm already.
Oh, come on.
You already tired?
Hey, you want shorts?
Huh?
You want some shorts?
Yes, I want shorts.
Well, come on.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's go get shorts
What
on.
kind of question is that?
It's way too hot to be in pants.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. It's way too hot to be in pants. You big silly. River, go get you some shorts, baby. I put this on upside down. What, babe? This is stupid.
How did Kylie get it to go forward?
She turned this part. Yeah. That ain't that fun.
It's way too hot. Way.
Is Dylan leaving?
Yep.
How did he get out of it?
He said he has a baby shower. I said, boys go to a baby shower?
For who?
Macy's cousin.
Me and Corey decided this is what happens when you marry the farmer's daughter. You're not picking beans.
It happens when you marry the son too.
Yeah, exactly.
The master thing?
Yeah.
I said we're going to mute the video.
No. Hun.
So I'm just going
All right, Evie. Let me go get the thing in the tank.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What? Yeah, I sure will.
Bean, green,
Yes,
tomatoes, tomatoes.
Yeah, man.
Bean, green, tomatoes, tomatoes. Ah.
You comfy, sis?
I do.
Love it.
Yeah. Can I move this?
Come in front of the camera. Tyler, were you out here when Dakota said that him and Corey decided that this is what happens when you marry the farmer's daughter?
No.
The farmer's son.
I know, I'm sorry.
He said that.
There's a, whoa!
Uh-oh.
Heavy down. You're okay. Oh.
Yeah, we're all done. We're good. Even when the snow comes, we'll still have beans.
When the snow comes, we'll still have green beans.
What's that?
I'm just so glad that we don't have to string the beans.
Well, said even when the snow comes, we're going to have green beans. That's it. He's not planting anymore.
He said maybe not.
He got my habit. I wasn't selling anything. And I said, dude, you can sell all you want to.
Yeah, I ain't sitting.
Anyway, he said, I didn't know y'all picked this. There ain't hardly any worth picking. Now he's come out here and said, maybe we don't need some more.
We do eat them. Is that all of them?
One time, we want one side now.
Did what?
I'm just kidding.
I said it would only take 20 minutes to pick. Like I say, if they're little, they got bad spots on them, or they're flat with a bean in them, you can just get rid of them. The flat with the bean in them, they're runners, and you can tell because they're forever long.
How do you feel about marrying the farmer's daughter?
I told him they didn't come with a woman like
Well,
You know, you put that in one of your songs a long time ago.
I wouldn't trade it for the world.
I hope so.
What'd you say, him?
I said I would hope so.
Alright, you want this? Dave's done.
You want to share?
Are we just throwing the...
I'm just
Hey, your chickens eat this?
I'm not
Eat
even
the plant?
breaking.
Oh!
All I'm doing is picking the plants right now. There's air conditioning to break them.
Just another good one.
Yep, he's doing it.
We got a basket I can steal from.
There's plenty.
Sit over here on this old floor.
Oh, well, I got you a chair.
What?
I got you a chair.
Oh,
There's
figured we should sit by
the
it.
stool.
Oh, I'm fine.
I was gonna say,
he's never gonna get down there.
shower. Hey, just put that's more to it.
Oh,
Got that. Go check the clothes. He's just poured that all the way down, find out where it was.
You got the poo.
See, if you get the real Bobby Joe, you actually will have to see me in pajamas as well. So I got up early this morning. I made bread and started multiple runs of green beans, and we'll take you on this journey of finishing up the green beans for the year. I finally made it into the shower as I finished up the bread and waiting on my pressure cooker to get finished with the run of green beans. Another run of green beans. This is the last of the 5 jars that I was able to finish up, which I think later on said it was 82 quarts of green beans for the year. And so I'm just filling up all my jars. We broke the green beans, we've washed them. I've actually had them sitting in water in the refrigerator overnight just because I couldn't work on them any longer last night. using the wide mouth jars for the green beans, but a big problem I'm having this year is I'm out of jars. So we're using anything possible, and I have had several mishaps with jars breaking, but if we're looking at 13, 14 years of, pressure canning and storing them in the garage when they're empty, when it's, -0 and 103 degrees outside, it does wear on the glass. And so we've had several that didn't seal. We've had some that the bottoms broke out. So we're doing the best we can, and so I'm having to use regular mouth jars. So after I shook the beans up to make sure that I'm utilizing all the space in the jars, then I added a teaspoon of canning salt. Then I topped the jars off with just hot boiling water, and then I ran a knife down in the sides just to make sure that we released all the air bubbles that might be in there. Then I'll wipe off the tops of all the lids or all the jars so we can put the lids on there. So we'll screw the lids on just hand tight and stick those in the pressure canner for 40 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. Well guys, this is it. The last of the green beans. This will make 82 quarts of green beans. They're already popping. So now I can put my pressure canner away. Hopefully, I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go ahead and can the potatoes that we've picked, but other than that, the green beans are done. I'm gonna do dilly beans next. It's been a crazy morning, and so I'll take you along. I've already started the dilly beans, but I'll explain what I'm doing. It's one of Jeff's favorites. You eat them cold, and so they're like a dill pickle, but it's actually the whole bean. So I'll take you along with me on that. Okay, so what I've got here, it's easiest to do it in wide mouth pint jars. And so I've got, in these jars, I've got a clove of garlic, I've got a head of dill, and I've got a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So we've got that, and then I'll scoot them over here, let's see. So I've got these beans. I'm gonna wash them real quick and drain them. So when we do regular green beans, we literally break them, take the two ends off, and then we'll break it into, depending on the bean, 2, 3, 4 pieces. But with these beans, I have to cut them. They all have to be the exact same size. And so what I usually do is try to get an idea of what it's going to be like inside the jar, because you want to leave head space. And so I'll cut all of them the same size. So I cut it off there, and then make them all the same as the one I just did. So we've got us a mess here, so I'm just going to turn the jar sideways. That one's just a little long still. Turn the jar sideways and just start laying these beans in here. And then it's equal parts water and white vinegar that we'll pour over the top of it before we put it in the steam canner. And I'll show you the steam canner. That's something a friend of mine talked about and showed me. Usually you just do a water bath can on acid vegetables, tomatoes. This will have vinegar in it, so these don't have to be pressure canned. But it just takes so much water, especially when you're doing quart jars with the water bath. And so the steam canner works the same process. It's really good for jellies, anything that's really quick. So it only takes 10 minutes for these dudes. So I'll just stick them in the steam canner, and it doesn't use near as much water. So I've just got those packed. That one's a little long, or maybe it's just curved. There we go. So I've just got those packed in that jar, and I'll just keep going until we get them all filled up. So this is my steam canner. So you just put a little bit of water in the bottom of it, and it has a gauge on here depending on the steam as to where and your elevation as to where you have. So I have a dark green line that has to be there once you start your timer at 10 minutes for these beans. So I'll fill this up to the bottom. I'll get that going and get it hot and start steaming. There's also a hole in the top, and so you want that in the bag where the steam can escape. So I'll get that started, and we will start putting the seals on the dilly beans. Okie doke. So I did have one jar left, but there wasn't enough beans to do the rest, so I'll give those to the chickens. So I've put all my beans in the jars. They have the cayenne pepper, the garlic, and the dill. And this is water and vinegar mixture. It's just, the ratio is just 50-50, so I'll fill these jars up. Where the beans are vertical, there's not usually a lot of air, so I won't burp the air out. Ooh, that's strong. Ooh. So got all my beans covered up. And wipe the top of the jars off real quick just to make sure that it has a good seal. With vinegar, it's not usually an issue. We'll wash off the lids real quick with some warm soapy water, put those on, put the rings on, and as soon as the steamer's ready, we'll put it in. So I'm pretty sure I said this, but they steam for 10 minutes, and then I'll just take them out with the rest of the beans. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and stand by because we got more coming. Be blessed.